guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm B, and on today's video I am going to be sharing with you my luxury wish list for 2023. I make this video every single year because this helped me stay focused on what I really want. Yeah, actually I just checked some of these items from my wish list and I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So without further ado, let's jump into this video and I really hope that you enjoy it. I'm going to start with Louis Vuitton. So as for Louis Vuitton, I have several things on my wish list. Actually from last year, I still have the Nano Noe. I love this bag. The only thing that's been holding me for getting this bag is that I already have like plenty monogram bags and I'm switching to all leather bags. I'm enjoying that a little bit more than, you know, canvas pieces, but Louis Vuitton is one of my favorite brands and I think it's going to be a brand that I will always like. So that's the first item from Louis Vuitton. Then I saw this Capucin's mini. I asked my SA and she never got it. They got the black one, but I love this one in this beautiful like cappuccino. I don't know the color, but it's super beautiful. If I ever cross with this bag, I would definitely buy it. There's an item that I'm not sure if I am going to get because I have plenty of smaller goods and I never use them. It is a recto verso wallet in the reverse monogram. I just think it's super beautiful. I loved it since it was launched in the regular monogram, but now that they have this version in the reverse monogram, I am gravitating towards that one, but I'm not pretty sure. It's a pair of sunnies from Louis Vuitton. I just think they are super gorgeous, super beautiful. I think they match my style perfectly. And actually I tried them on in store. As you may already know, I'm very petite, so they look, you know, big on my frame, but I think in a good way. I think they look cool. Also, I love these earrings. They've been on my wish list from last year, but I don't know, the same thing, I have some things that are similar to this, so I'm not very sure if I should, you know, keep on buying like so similar things because that's something that I tend to do a lot. So I decided to switch for other pair of earrings that I already have them in all gold. I'm gonna link a picture here, and I absolutely love those earrings. Those earrings are like my go-to earrings. Whenever I don't know what to wear, I just pick those because they go with everything. I just think they are a statement piece. But this time, here I have them. So this is going to be like a reveal. And these earrings are the same, but this time they are in silver and gold. I just absolutely love them. I don't know if you can see the details, but I'm gonna link a picture so that you can see them better. And I absolutely love these earrings. And I'm gonna tell you further in this video why I decided to get them in silver. I was debating between this one with the gold and the all silver version. I decided to go for this one because, I mean, I can use them with whatever I want, silver or gold, and they go with any outfit. I just love these earrings. I just think they are like edgy, like also elegant, very different and such a statement piece. And if you know the brand, you know they are from Louis Vuitton, but they are not screaming any logos or whatever. It only has like a little LV over here. So this is the first item that I checked from my wish list. And I'm very happy. I'm so glad, and I have already used them several times. Also, I got from Louis Vuitton my agenda refill for 2023. This is something that I always buy from Louis Vuitton. I have my the mini agenda, which is this one. If you are interested in a review from these ones, just let me know in the comment section down below because I don't want this video to be too long. I just saw that they are going to launch the desert boots in beige. I'm gonna add a picture. Oh my god, I just need those boots. I already asked my SA. They haven't arrived because they are from the latest collection, but hopefully I can get those because I've been using my desert boots like non-stop. I just think they are really cool. They are super comfortable. They also have, you know, like a little bit of a heel, and yeah, I just love them. So hopefully I can get those boots in beige, which definitely stole my heart. Okay, so that's everything from Louis Vuitton for now. And so let's move on to Chanel. Okay, so as for Chanel, I think my collection is pretty complete. I would love to add a bag in this color. It's a little bit, you know, like light brown. but I don't have anything in mind. But what I do have on my wish list is a chain belt. I've been looking for a Chanel chain belt for the longest time, and I've never found the perfect one for me because they don't have stock. They have very few designs in store. Anything that that really stole my heart, you know. Some things that I've seen on their website, they just don't have it in the boutique. Sometimes they just get like super big sizes. I wanted something not too elegant because they've sent me pictures of some belts that are really beautiful, but it's not what I'm looking for. I wanted with the leather, you know, very classic from Chanel with black leather in gold, something more casual that I can dress up or I can dress down. So I've been wanting this for a really long time, and I have had no luck with my essays. So recently I found a reseller, and she had this beautiful, I'm gonna insert a picture. She had this beautiful belt that is something very much what I'm looking for. And yeah, I asked her, she had it in stock. It is vintage, actually. It is from the 90s, and it was my size. The price was overwhelming, seriously. It was too high, but guess what, guys? I was like, okay, I've been looking for this item like for so long, and it was perfectly grabbed. And to reveal, she told me she bought it in Paris. Oh my god, look at this, it's so beautiful. It is a vintage chain belt from Chanel, and it is gold plated, which was actually what sold me. And of course the design is so beautiful, and vintage vibe is so cool. It is very heavy, and I definitely paid premium for this one, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it a lot, and it's very much what I wanted. So I jumped on it, and yeah, I'm very excited to add this piece to my collection because you have no idea how long I've been looking for the perfect chain belt, and I just love the vintage vibe. This is my only vintage piece in my collection, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. So I'm very happy and can't wait to style it and show you how it looks. So from Chanel also, there's a backpack from this collection. I've seen it in caramel color or beige and in black. I want it in black, you guys. It's so beautiful, so cool. It also gives me this like 90s vibes. I love that it is in caviar, and it's so damn cute. It was of course not on my radar till I saw it, and I really want it. So hopefully I can add that piece to my collection because I already asked like 3 of my essays and they don't have them in stock. One of them told me that they had it, but it was sold immediately. So yeah, you know how this is. And I really don't like to go the pre-loved market. I don't know, I just prefer to have my things directly from store. Just give me a peace of mind, but we will see. Also from Louis Vuitton, sorry guys, the Horizon in the size 50 is still on my wish list. So hopefully this year I can get that piece to finally, you know, have all the travel pieces from Louis Vuitton that I want. So yeah. Another item that was on my wish list, and I already unboxed on my channel here, is the Hermès Kelly belt in white. So with this belt, I thought I had my collection completed, but guess what? I saw the other day, one of my friends on Instagram, she got it in chai. So I desperately need that belt, this belt in chai as well. And with that, hopefully I'm just done with the Kelly belts. But from Hermes, I have, of course, my dream bag that I've been waiting for 3 years or more. I still want, and I am going to get it, hopefully very soon. And it's still on my wish list, the Kelly 25, red tournée, e-taupe color, gold hardware, toggle leather. I just need that bag in my life. And with that, I would feel like my Hermes collection is kind of completed. Of course, you know, there's a never-ending wish list, but yeah. For eye candy, I brought my beautiful mini Kelly because actually I'm wearing it today, and oh my god, I just love this beautiful bag. It's so cute. I just love it. It's the most beautiful bag ever, seriously. Talking about mini Kellys, there's also one on my wish list. Hopefully I can get it, and I want it in the chai color. I don't care if it's gold hardware or silver hardware because I actually have seen it with silver hardware and also looks stunning. So I would like a mini Kelly in chai. Another bag that is on my wish list from Hermes is the Evelyn TPM in gold toggle with gold hardware. Ta-da! I have a little unboxing in this video. Excuse me because I couldn't make the ribbon. So here it is, and my essay offered me the beautiful Evelyn TPM. It was not exactly as my wish list. This one has silver hardware. I was debating if I should get it or wait for the gold one, well, the gold hardware, but I decided to jump on this because you know what? It's giving me like a fresh vibe, and I don't know what's happening to me, but sometimes I'm starting to look silver hardware as a possibility, you know? So as you may already know, this is a very simple bag. I love that about this bag. And I'm gonna insert some modeling shots of this one because I already styled it. And yeah, guys, so this one is also checked from my list, from my wish list. And yeah, guys, that's the reason why I decided to get these earrings from Louis Vuitton with the silver hardware, because I barely have anything in silver, you know, only like maybe a diamond earrings or something, but these ones are super cool and they match perfectly with the hardware of this bag or any other bag. What I've noticed is that palladium hardware, it's less prone to scratches as for the gold hardware. This is how I use it, like a shoulder bag, and it's a little bit more feminine. I don't know, I love it. And yeah, also from Hermès, I've been loving the Picatinny, so I'm considering getting that bag, probably in the taupe color with gold hardware. Let's move on to Cartier. I just want the regular Just and Claw and the regular love bracelet in gold, in yellow gold, and also want the Panther gold watch, which I don't know, since I'm, you know, having a thing with silver hardware, I'm not sure if I should get it with silver and gold or just gold. From Celine, I want these shades. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get them because I really need to try them on first. And also this piece was on my wish list and I already checked from it. So yeah, I've been loving my Celine Triumph belt in black, so I jumped and decided to get it in the tan color. It's amazing. I've been loving it so much. I have a thing for belts. I don't know what is it, but I need to stop. These are all of the things that I've already checked from my wish list for 2023. And yeah, guys, that's everything for today's video. I really hope that you enjoy it. As you saw, a lot of things that I wanted to share with you guys. Please comment in the section down below and let me know what are your thoughts on the things that I'm planning to get. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And yeah, guys, see you to my next one. Bye.